Just put Coca Cola on the avocado, and you'll never suffer from this again. And when you find out why, you'll thank me forever. To start, we'll need an avocado, whether it's ripe or green. Let's cut it in half. After opening the avocado, we'll only need this seed. Most people can't imagine what this simple seed can do. You'll be surprised when you find out. Now, I'll wash it and remove the peel covering the seed. I'll be back to show you the power of the avocado seed. Everyone should know about this. I've washed and removed the peel. Now, what do we need to do? Let's cut the seed. The avocado seed isn't hard. You can cut it into several pieces. Did you know that almost 80% of the world's population throws it away? But I'll explain why the other 20% doesn't do that. After cutting, it's normal for the avocado seed to change color. Now let's grab a sprayer because it'll make our application easier. If you don't have one, it's not a problem. We can put everything in here. These two ingredients are a potent home remedy that you need to have, especially if you're suffering from this. We'll put everything in here. Now, we'll need 215 milliliters of Coca Cola, this practical container. Many people don't know, but Coca Cola, in its early days, wasn't the drink we know today. It was formulated as a remedy to cure headaches, stomach pains, and even body aches. It was made from coca leaves and cola seeds. The most important thing about all of this is that when we mix it with the avocado seed, we enhance its benefits even more. This is a great home remedy, and you need to do this at home. It's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It also helps with joint pain, body aches, back, legs, elbows, neck, and knees. If you have leg pains or know someone who does, you need to make this remedy and know how to use it. After adding the 300 milliliters of Coca Cola to the cut seed, let it sit for about 24 hours, preferably in low-light places. It's very simple and easy, with just these two ingredients. If you didn't know about this, do it at home. After 24 hours, you can start using it. It's not necessary to remove the seed unless you want to. Just apply it to the areas where you feel pain and leave it overnight. I used to have a lot of knee pain, which bothered me a lot. So, I started using this tip on my knees, and it's great too. If you have joint pains in your arm, especially in the wrist, just apply and rub it. It's also great for elbows that hurt a lot during daily movements or when lifting weight. I also use it on my heels after a tiring day. You know those days when you walk a lot or your shoes hurt you? You can use this. If you feel discomfort in any part of your body, this tip is for you.